Good morning, second graders, and welcome to our second virtual day for the whole school. I know every day is a virtual day for us, but our school-wide virtual days look a little bit different. So I wanted to create this math welcome video just to kind of lead you through what we're doing today. So we are starting a new unit in math because we took our test yesterday, and good job, guys, you did it. So we are not going to do a whole new lesson today. We're kind of going to get you ready for our next unit. So in math, so over here, I went to Wednesday, 9:23, because that is today. I clicked on the arrow and then I clicked on math because that is the subject we are going to do first. So I want to lead you through your to-do list. So the first thing you should do is watch this video, which will go right here. So if you're listening to me right now, good job. You're following step number 1. Step number 2, you are going to go to Seesaw and complete 2 activities which are due today. You will be doing a comparing 3-digit numbers and a place value expanded form. So we've worked with those a little bit, but this is going to give you guys some more practice. And I will post the links down here. I have not done that yet, but you will find the links down here. So I'm going to take us to Seesaw really quick, and I'm going to take us to, sorry about that, activities for today. And I just realized I assigned the same one twice. Let me fix that real quick. Okay, so for your first assignment, we are going to compare 3-digit numbers. So that is our friend, Jelly the alligator that we use. And I don't remember if we actually talked about Jelly the alligator in our discussions online, but that's what we used in class. So remember, our alligator wants to eat the biggest number so that he's all full. Because if he eats the smallest number, he's still going to be hungry. So on this one, you want to take a look and see which number is bigger. So the first way you're going to do this is by looking at the hundreds place. Because the hundreds place, if the numbers are different, you can tell which number is greater. So if I'm looking at our first problem, is 6 in the hundredth place? So 600. Is that bigger than 400? If it is, then you're going to put an alligator facing this way. Remember, we want the alligator's mouth like this to eat the biggest number. So you want the mouth, the wide part, to eat the bigger number. But what do you do if you look and 2 numbers have the same number in our hundreds place? Then you need to hop to the next number, and we're going to look at our tens place. Oh, but our tens place is the same too. So what do? We're going to hop to the next one and look at our ones place. So you always should start with your hundreds place. If they're different numbers, you can use that to tell which one is greater or less than. If they are the same, hop to your tens place. If your tens place is the same, hop to your ones place. Remember, your answers are going to be greater than, less than, or equal to. So you are going to do this assignment. You just need to draw a big alligator mouth on whichever side it should go on. So that's our first assignment. Your second one is place value expanded form. So we've been using base 10 blocks quite a bit, but this time it is with hundreds. So remember, these big blocks equal 100. So you are going to count, and they give you an example here. So I have one 100s block, so 100. I have a second 100s block, so I know that I have 200, right? This equals 200. And then I have 4 10 sticks, so I know that equals 40, because I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, and then I have 1, 2 ones blocks. I have 2 ones blocks. So now I'm going to write that in my normal 3-digit number. So my hundreds block, however many hundreds blocks I have, goes in my hundreds place. That's my first number right here, this 2. My 10 sticks are going to go with my tens place. So I know I have 4 10 sticks, so they go in the middle. And I know I have 2 ones blocks, so that goes at the end in my ones place. Then you're going to do expanded form. Remember, expanded form is just when we make our numbers bigger to what they really represent. So when we write our number 242, it really means we have 200, right? So we have two hundreds blocks, which means we have 200 plus our 4 10 sticks equal 40. So we say plus 40. And our ones cubes just equal 2, right? 1, 2 plus 2. So you are going to do that for the rest of these as well. Okay, so these are your 2 assignments that are due today. After that, your last assignment is to get on Dreambox for 20 minutes. You should get at least 2 lessons. You should have 6 lessons total by today. If you don't, that's okay. We still have time. I'm not saying I want you to work and get 6 lessons all today. I want you to try and get at least 2 today, okay? All right, let's work hard.